I want to talk to you about the benefits of period knickers just from my own personal point of view. I've been using them for about 2.5 years now, and I would not go back to wearing pads at all. Okay, so there's loads of different ones in the market, as I'm sure you know. Here's a nice polka dotty pair. And people always ask, like, how do they work? So they basically have like an inbuilt padding inside, okay? And I'm going to cut this one open and show you. Now this is for light days, so the padding in here is very light, but you would have thicker padding in this one. Like, look at the thickness there. But it doesn't feel like a pad on. It just feels like big knickers. I find them so comfortable. I used to wear tampons all the time when I was running or doing yoga. I don't wear them anymore except for when I'm swimming. I love the feeling of the blood flowing out of me. It just feels, I don't know, more natural. It also helps with flooding, as in, you know, I would flood now that I'm perimenopausal, as in get a big gush of blood, and it holds them. Like, there's no issue with them holding the blood. So here's the inside one anyway. There you go. See the inside, and that's the little layer there that it has. Here's the little padded layer that soaks up the blood. Now, there's some specific washing instructions with them, like rinse them out in cold water and then put them into the machine. I do none of that. I just lob them into the laundry basket and I chuck them into the machine. When I started using them, I only had 2 or 3, and I was washing them, you know, every day as a result to kind of keep them going. But now I have a load of them, and I just throw them into the washing basket and then wash them whenever I need to. People often say, what do you do when you have a clot, right? So I was like, you know me, I love my demos. So this is what you do when you have a clot, okay? So let's take, I made some jelly last night. Let's take some jelly and pretend that it's a clot, because God forbid I showed a real clot on Instagram, I get banned forever. This is your little clot, okay, that you have, and it just rests on your pants, like as if, like a normal clot, like it would do if it was on a pad. And all you do is pull down your pants like you would when you're on the toilet, get a bit of tissue paper, lift off the clot with the tissue paper, okay, throw the tissue down the toilet and off you go. Obviously the jelly's a bit wetter than a clot, but you get the drift. You can, you know, dab it off and off you go. If you want to change them more than twice a day, you can, but I find morning and evening changing is enough. And I just think they're just brilliant for women of all ages, but particularly for young girls. Like, I mean, I wish these were around when I was a teenager. It just would have made life so much simpler, I think. Like sanitary towels, they get stuck in your pubes, they feel sweaty, they don't feel nice, they get twisted around your knickers at night time. None of that happens with these, just super, super comfy. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know all that.